Hello my dear friends. I hope you are all doing well. I'm here with another video. In this video, we will start with the most basic English words from level A1 and gradually move up to level C2 through several videos. The videos will be published daily. Each video will be a short lesson and will be categorized. Make sure to practice each lesson well. Rest assured, by the end of this series, your vocabulary will have grown amazingly. Stay with me. Hello and goodbye. Hello. Used to greet someone when you first meet or begin a conversation. Hello, how are you? Use at the beginning of a conversation to acknowledge someone's presence. Goodbye. Used to express farewell or when parting ways with someone. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Used when ending a conversation or leaving someone. Hi. A casual greeting, often used in informal situations. Hi, what's up? Use in informal settings to greet friends or acquaintances. Bye. An informal way to say goodbye. Bye, take care. Casually used when leaving or parting with someone. Good morning. A greeting used in the morning, usually before noon. Good morning, everyone. Use when greeting people early in the day. Good afternoon. A greeting used during the afternoon, typically after 12 p.m. Good afternoon, how was your lunch? Used to greet people during the afternoon. Good evening. A greeting used in the evening, typically after 6 p.m. Good evening, sir. Used when greeting people in the evening. Good night. Used to wish someone well at the end of the day before sleep. Good night, sleep tight. Use when parting with someone before bedtime. Thank you. Expression of gratitude or appreciation. Thank you for your help. Used to express gratitude towards someone who has done something kind or helpful. Thanks. A casual way of saying thank you. Thanks for the ride. Informal, typically used among friends or in casual situations. Please. Used to politely ask or request something. Can you help me, please? Use in a polite way to make requests or ask for favors. Okay. Expresses agreement, understanding, or acceptance. Okay, I'll do it. Used to show understanding or acceptance of a situation or request. Yes. Used to show affirmation or agreement. Yes, I agree with you. Used when you want to affirm something or agree with what someone has said. No. Used to express disagreement or denial. No, I don't think so. Used to show disagreement, denial, or to reject a suggestion. Sorry. Used to apologize or express regret. Sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. Used to apologize when you have made a mistake or hurt someone's feelings. Welcome. A polite response to thanks or a way to greet someone. You're welcome. Used in response to thank you, or to greet someone warmly when they arrive somewhere. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.